there's so much in this. You know, it's not a simple thing to crack. Hi, my name is Angelyn. I'm from Maline Initiatives Sdn. Our mission is to bring Malaysian-made furniture online. Maline Initiative is actually a subsidiary of Nilam Makmur Sdn. So what we do is that we are the supplier of raw materials to the furniture manufacturers. In this industry, the manufacturers are actually quite slow, like only 10% of them or even less than that are actually already taking initiative on going digital. It's still very slow, probably also because the old model is somewhat still working. They're still getting businesses. Actually, it's very important to start taking action now because you need time to learn, you need time to build a team, even like to get familiarized with the whole online marketing side of things for their products. E-commerce is not exactly like a whole new thing. I mean, a lot of the basic principles still apply, but then not a lot of people are trying these things out lah. Because probably a lot of people just have the impression that this will be extremely expensive, or just maybe because they don't understand how it works. I think going e-commerce is like, it gives you a very good access to the end user. When you have this kind of data, like when you deal with end users, what kind of question they ask, and this kind of data is very valuable basically. It makes things faster, so you can develop new product faster. This is the trend. I should definitely spend more on R&D on this side of things, like going this kind of trend. It will be very, very beneficial for a manufacturer. Take action now. I mean, don't wait until later. Don't slow down on the effort to go digital, like, because you need to start to take action now. If you wait, it will be too late a few years on when you actually need it.